Hello, my name is Asanda and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So by the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down, baby. Kuyasetyenzwa ke namhlanje. We are taking out the old rug and we are putting in the new rug that was featured in my previous video, the home haul video. And we are unboxing and assembling our new coffee table that I bought from fair price for 1,000 Rand. So without wasting any more of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so firstly I'm going to take out the old rug, then I'm gonna clean up a little bit, then we're going to put our new rug. So enjoy for now. The moment has finally arrived, you guys. I am super excited. Look at how absolutely gorgeous this rug is. Oh my word, love it, Kesana. I think I will blame myself for not actually measuring how wide the rug should be for my dining room area, because I think it would look much nicer if it was up to the stand area. But I'm not really complaining because it's not too bad. I love it, Sana. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna buy one for my bedroom as well, but obviously different design and different color. Anyway, let us bring out the coffee table and assemble it together. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I bought this coffee table from fair price and it was 1,000 Rand. They do have different colors as well, but I'm gonna let you enjoy this video. I'm not gonna tell you what the color is. I'm not gonna tell you anything. Enjoy, you guys. You guys should know by now that I'm a very resourceful woman. Imama alibe ne screwdriver set betunana ku 2024. Imama alibe ne screwdriver set. Asikwazi nje uba sibe sisokola when it comes to assembling things. Okanye when your pot lid or your pot handle is loose, then you don't even have anything. Ube usebenzisa imela for utightenisha those screws. No, my love, no. You need to have a screwdriver set, okay? Nehamile, ne pliers. Angazithengi guys, but ke nizabona ngam niyayazi. Anyway, there is a tightening screw thing that is included in that packet that I showed you earlier with all the screws and all the other tools that I'm gonna need for this assembly. So let the assembly begin. Enjoy. Okay, guys, I am officially done with the first part of the assembly. I'm just going to put the legs for the coffee table, and then I'm going to repeat the whole process for the second part of the coffee table. Okay, so the first part of the assembly is done. Now they also included these double-sided stick-on round things to actually stick on the ceramic part of the coffee table with the actual frame. So let's see how that will work. I think it's safe to say use your own discretion in terms of how far apart you place the stick-ons, but you don't want them to be too far apart. You want them to be close enough for the ceramic part to be balanced once you placed it on the frame. So yeah, that's basically what I'm busy trying to do right now. Okay, we are almost done with this assembly, and now we are going to place the ceramic top. I do want to let you know that the ceramic tops are very heavy, especially the bigger piece, so you want to make sure that you are confident with your arm strength when you're doing this, especially if you're doing it alone. But I do want to share with you guys that I struggled a little bit with aligning the ceramic top with the actual frame, because you want to make sure that when you do place the ceramic top onto the stick-ons, you are very sure about your decision, because I got the shock of my life when I realized that once you place, even if you have not really secured it and pressed it on, but once you place the ceramic top onto the stick-ons, it actually holds to a point where you might think that it is impossible for you to move it again. So that was one of my challenges. But I would advise that you don't do this alone, njengam, because so do not do this alone, guys. Get a friend or your partner or whatever, or whoever you're staying with, to assist you with this, because I struggled. I found that when I placed this part, it's actually overlapping while the other side is sitting perfectly. So yeah, it was not easy. are done with the assembly. Absolutely love how everything worked out. I am so excited for my space right now. I just had to do that because, well, I deserve a pat on the shoulder for the work that I've done. Otherwise, that is it from me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time this girl posts a video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.